Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add money on Steam with PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to add money on Steam with your PayPal account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account over here, as I've already logged into my account. And after opening your account on the Steam app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your username available for us with the drop down arrow at the right side of the option. Click on your username at the top right corner of the screen with the drop down arrow. And on the second option you can see account details. Click on account details option over here, and you'll land on this interface now, guys. You will be required to click on the add funds to your Steam wallet over here. Click on add funds to your Steam wallet, and when you land on this interface, guys, you can see you can choose a minimum level of fund from $5 to $100. So in order to add the fund, so click on the add fund click on the add fund button of the money which you want to load to your Steam wallet. So I'll be just going with the minimal of $5. Click on add funds, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see, guys, PayPal is supported over here. Click on the PayPal, or make sure the PayPal is selected, and click on continue. And on the next step, this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to log into your PayPal account. So to do that, click on the PayPal button over here, and this kind of your login panel for PayPal account will open, and enter your email address of your PayPal account. And after entering your email address over here, click on the next button, and you'll be required to enter your password of your PayPal account over there. And when you log into your PayPal account on this interface, if the funds required to load the money on your Steam wallet is available on your PayPal account, it will be loaded over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to add money to your Steam with PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.